So Bushra, how many sessions you've already taken with Clap and Go?
I had taken only one session. So this is basically my second session and I am very excited for it.
Okay, great. And what do you do?
I actually am a YouTuber and
Okay.
So firstly, I am a civil services aspirant, UPSC aspirant basically, and I am a YouTuber also.
Okay. And why do you want to join civil services?
I want to join civil services to help people. Actually, I can help people without joining into civil services, but being a civil servant, you have many powers. Like
Okay.
normal people do not have powers to do many things. So that is
Yes.
the main thing, that I'll have power so that I can help people.
Okay. And what exactly are you looking when you say that you are going to help people or you want to help people? What exactly do you want to do?
I actually want to, go into the government schools and see how people, because in today mm, teachers are not, when we see the condition of government school, teachers are only enjoying, they are only hanging out, they are not teaching the students. So basically,
Okay.
this is my first priority, that I want to go into the schools and see it myself whether teachers are doing their job or not. So that is my first priority.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. And you said that you are a YouTuber. So what do you
Yeah.
do and what do you post on YouTube?
Yeah, actually, I have an educational channel. So I basically guide people on that as a student, as an aspirant, not as a teacher.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a great thought. And how did you come about this thought? How did you think about this?
Actually, the reality is that I never planned to be a YouTuber. In lockdown, we had nothing to do. So I had also nothing to do. So I started uploading educational videos, and one of the videos got viral. So
Mhm.
from then, I thought of continuing it. That's it.
Okay. And
Nothing.
that's a very good sign that you really need to help people, and you have really said it correctly that we need our education system to improve. So
Yeah.
that is what I always feel, that at the base level, if we start from the base level, that will really help people
Yeah.
and you can do wonders. And people like you, if you all start doing that, we can really grow well.
Yeah. I really want to do something in educational field. I really want to see it myself, ki how the government teachers work. I have seen it in YouTube or in TV, but I want to see it myself. But as a normal human being, I don't have that power and opportunity to go into a government school and tell something to someone or order something to a teacher. So that
Yes.
I cannot do being a YouTuber or being a normal person. That can only be happen when I have the power.
That can
So
only happen if you are holding some position in the government.
yeah.
Okay. And what are your subjects? Have you done your graduation or have you finished your post graduation?
Yeah, I've done my graduation in arts, and my subjects were polity, economics, and English.
And from where did you do it?
I had completed my education from Shakuntala University, which is in UP.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
So Bushra, today we have to talk about food and restaurant.
Yes.
Did you go through the session material?
No.
No. Okay, fine. Are you a foodie person?
Yes. I would not say that I'm a foodie. I say that I like trying food, but not in the quantity, in the quality. I like trying new type of food, but I cannot eat. Matlab, I cannot eat too much.
Okay. And where do you like to go out and eat in
I
your
like,
city?
yeah, I like to go, like, my priority, whenever I go to a restaurant or anything, my first priority is ambience. The ambience should be good, the vibes should be good. And then secondly, I would think about how the taste of the food was and how the food was. So my
Yes.
priority is whenever I go to a restaurant or anything like that, the ambience should be very good. I should
Okay.
feel good.
Okay. And how do you select that? Do you go on any sites to see it?
Yeah,
Or
I prefer firstly, whenever I have to go to a restaurant or anywhere, I firstly see the ambience on Google, whether the ambience is good or not.
okay, but do you always check the ratings also?
Yeah, yeah, ratings also.
Yes, that's very important because once you go with the ratings and yes, and do you ever give ratings? Do you ever give your feedbacks,
No,
ratings? Okay.
no,
I always think that one should give one because then it really helps people
yeah,
if they are new to that place, and even if they
yeah,
are
it
not
helps
new to that
them.
place, and if they are visiting case, that
Yeah,
really helps. So you can you can yes,
yeah,
for other people you can always help them
yeah,
in this way also. That
yeah.
okay. So Bushra, are you from Lucknow?
Yeah, I am not, means I sometimes live in Lucknow, I sometimes live in Jaipur due to some family and personal issues. I sometimes live in Bihar, but I am not basically from Lucknow.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Because I saw, I think in your that when we get that this learner is going to join, so I just saw your bio data that you are from Lucknow. That's why I asked you this question.
yeah.
Okay, so you said that you live between Lucknow, Jaipur, and Bihar. So which
Yeah,
place is your favorite?
actually, my favorite place so is Lucknow. My favorite place is Lucknow because the greenery here is so satisfying and so beautiful, and the
Okay.
language also is so very nice. This is a world
Yes.
known fact that the language of Lucknow is very decent.
Yeah, very respectful.
Yeah,
Very respectful.
very.
The
Yeah,
way, even if they are scolding someone, it will be like, uh, it would be very soft and good to hear.
yeah. So I love Lucknow.
Yes. So Bushra, would you like to help you in some way, or do you have any particular questions, or we can just keep on chatting?
Yeah, we can just keep on chatting, whatever you want to talk about.
Okay, good. That's nice. So you said that you are a UPSC aspirant. So how many hours do you spend in your studies?
Yeah, actually, because of earlier when I was not a YouTuber, so I used to study for 6 to 8 hours per day. But now I have my two channels. I have to do everything, manage everything, YouTube and everything. So sometimes I skip studying also for the whole day. So that is my situation. But
Okay.
yeah, so that is my situation. But I usually study like 4 to 5 hours per day.
Okay. So you said that you have two channels, and both the channels, do you post the same thing, or do you make your material different for both the channels?
No, my first channel is, which is my main channel, is an educational channel. And the other one is my
Okay.
vlog channel, in which I am not very active, but I
Okay.
am very active, quite active on my main channel. And I upload videos regularly and consistently.
Okay. And do you make any animation also in that, or do you just post your talks or your
No,
material
I don't, no, I
content?
don't, no, I don't. Like, I post videos like I am talking to my audience as a friend, as an aspirant,
Okay.
as one of them, not as a teacher. So I don't make proper educational videos like with whiteboard and PDF and everything. I just guide them
Okay.
as their friend.
Okay. So how do you work on your content?
I basically I get the content from the comment section of my videos. People say video on this, make so that is the thing. I get
Okay.
my from the comment sections.
That's very good, Bushra,
Yeah,
because you don't have to really think that how would you go about it. And there is no systematic approach towards it. Yes, it
yeah,
would be systematic in a sense that you have said that it would be educational, but then whatever topic they require, so you cater to them. That's a best thing.
Yeah.
Okay. So Busha, we coming back to your food and restaurants. So which is your favorite place? If you say that Lucknow, which is the place which when we visit, if I visit Lucknow, which place should I eat? I'm a pure vegetarian.
I am also a pure vegetarian.
Okay, good to know.
Yeah. So I think for vegetarians, my favorite place is Jannat and Sky Hilton. These two places are my favorite. And whenever I feel sad or I'm not feeling well, I go to these places. I feel very good whenever I go to them, and the
Okay.
food is also very tasty there.
Okay. Jannat and Hilton.
Yeah.
Okay, good. And in Jaipur?
In Jaipur, I think in Jaipur, Night Jar is a very good restaurant. So I used to
Night
go there.
Jar.
Yeah,
Night Jar.
yeah. Night Jar is a very good restaurant. So I used to go there. But in Bihar, I don't know any restaurants or anything. Like I don't know any good restaurants or anything.
Okay. So
Yeah.
when do you go to Bihar? Do you see any development there?
Honestly, I do not see any development there. Honestly, I feel bad for the people living there, because the roads and everything, the streets are not good. They are very, they are not developed. They are not like
Okay.
Lucknow and Jaipur. I'm not basically comparing, but as a state, Bihar is not very good. But the people of Bihar are very sweet. That is the only thing that I love. That the people are very sweet. They are very, uh, they are very what should I say? They are very sweet, very decent, and they are very
Very
nice.
friendly,
Yeah,
friendly,
they are very nice.
and simple soul. Maybe they must be
Yeah,
simple soul also.
yeah, and they are very intelligent also.
Yes, because we see so many people coming out of Bihar and
Yeah,
they're cracking this IAS also. So would you
yeah,
be
yeah,
appearing for the state civil services also?
yeah, but not this year due to some of my family issues.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this year you won't be, but on 10th of October you would be appearing for
No,
civil services.
no, this year I'm not be appearing for any of the exams, whether it is for IAS or PCS due to some of my personal issues.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. So as you said that Bihar doesn't have development, so would you like to ever go there and work for Bihar? Work
Yeah.
for
Yeah, I
people
want,
down there or in the remote villages where you think it's really required for you to go there and work?
yeah, I am, I want to crack BPSC so that I would be there in Bihar and I can work for the betterment of Bihar and its people. So I want to crack BPSC. That's in my mind.
Hmm.
Yeah.
And same way, UP also require, if you go in the remote villages, people are still, they require a lot of help there, and a lot of work can be done regarding,
Yeah.
everything, all development purposes, UP can also work on it.
Yeah.
Do you feel so?
Yeah, I feel so. But when when I have two options like UP and Bihar, I will always go for Bihar because there is something, I don't know why there is some kind of attachment to Bihar. So that's why
Okay.
I would prefer to go to Bihar and crack BPSC.
Okay. So, Bhusha, how many states in India you have already visited?
In India, I had visited Kerala.
I have visited. I
I
have
have visited Kerala, UP, Rajasthan, Gujarat. I think six to seven states only.
Okay. So which state did you find the best?
Bihar. I don't know why.
Okay.
My heart
So which
lies
place
there.
in Bihar? Yes. Oh, yeah, it happens. Many a times you feel that you are very close to that state. You really want to be there. And
Yeah.
some connection is always there for you.
Yeah, I feel more connected to the people of Bihar because they are very sweet, genuine, and everything. So that's why somewhere my heart lies in Bihar. No
Good.
matter wherever I go, no matter.
Good, good.
Yeah.
Right. So Bushra, if given a choice, which type of food would you like to eat? Which type of a food, in a sense, that would you like to go for Indian or something in continental? Which kind of a food do you prefer?
I love Indian. I am
You love
proper.
Indian.
Yeah, I love Indian. I don't like pizzas and burger and everything. I like my dal chawal and lauki and Karela, not Kerala. So I love that. So that is my
Okay.
favorite food.
That's
Yeah.
your favorite food. And even when you go out to eat, you opt for
Yeah.
Indian food only.
Yeah, people, my sister and my cousins always make fun of me. You are going to a restaurant and you are ordering like this. What is this? So I like Indian.
You are a dal roti wali ladki.
Yeah, dal, roti, lauki, and karela. I love that. This is my favorite. These are my
Okay.
favorite dishes.
And what about dessert?
Dessert, I don't like dessert, but sometimes I like rasmalai.
Okay.
Yeah,
Then you are the lucky one, because if you can stay away from the sweets, it's the best thing.
yeah.
Have you been vaccinated, Bushra?
No, not right now.
Not yet.
No, not yet.
Why?
Because
Why
I
till?
was, yeah, I was, going through something, and doctor advised me not to get vaccinated for some time. So that's why
Okay.
I did.
Okay. I thought that were you scared or something?
No, I was not scared. I was ready to get vaccinated, but that situation
Okay.
didn't allow me.
Okay. Okay. Great.
Yeah.
So it was nice talking to you, Bushra, and all the best for your YouTube. And certainly, I'll also go and have a look
Yeah,
and keep your smile as it is.
yeah. Please have a look on my channel
Sure.
and subscribe to my channel also.
Sure. Sure.
Okay.
I'll do so. Take
Thank
care.
you.
Bye bye.
Nice talking to you. Bye.
Yes. Same here. Bye bye.
Bye. Take care.